Hello friends, welcome all of you to English Lens channel. This is my new attempt to teach you English. If you like this video and want more such videos, then please comment and let me know. I will not only teach you English editorial but will also bring one or two such videos in a week. In this video, we will talk about a case which raised questions on the police and the ruling party of Odisha state. People became agitated and took to the streets. The head of the management of the school where children were taught moral lessons sexually exploited the female staff. No woman could even oppose this. The reason for this was that the accused school management head had deep links with a minister of the state. But when an English teacher teaching in the same school came to know about the misdeeds of the management head, she decided to protest. She too was pressurized like the other female staff. She was threatened, but this female teacher was not scared. She did not give up, and she decided to expose the management head, and this was not acceptable to the accused. So what is the whole story and what happened to this female teacher? Know in this video. But before that, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get notification of every new video. Friends, this is the story of a 24 years old teacher, Mamita Meher. She was a resident of Jharni village in Balangir district of Odisha. At some distance from her village is a Mahaling village in Kalahandi district. In this village there is an English school named Sunshine Public School. In this English school, she was on the post of principal and used to teach English. Everything was going well. Meanwhile, the year 2021 came. This year, an incident happened which shook the entire Odisha. Govind Sahu was the president of the management committee of the school where Mamita used to teach. He was famous in the area because he had a good rapport with the contractors of power. He had connections with big leaders. Whenever there was a function in Sunshine Public School, all the leaders would come to attend it. This is the matter of 8 October 2021. Around 9 in the morning, Govind Sahu, the president of the school management, receives a call from Mamita, and Govind Sahu asks Mamita to meet him on the pretext of work. He asks Mamita to come to a place named Chandotara on the pretext of discussing some important issues. Mamita takes a bus from Turekala and travels some distance by bus, but on the way Govind Sahu calls Mamita in his car. Now slowly time passes and Mamita does not return home, and neither her family members are able to talk to her. The family members try to contact Mamita, but her phone is constantly switched off. This makes Mamita's family members restless. Next day, that is on 9 October, Mamita's family tries their best to find Mamita, but no clue is found anywhere. So her family goes to the nearby Kevon police station to file a missing report for Mamita. But there, on hearing that her family suspects Govind Sahu in this case, the police refuses to register the complaint, saying that daughter must have gone somewhere and will return. You people don't worry. Gradually, this incident spread like fire, first in the entire area and then in the entire state. All the people came out on the streets in support of Mamita. Leaders of opposition parties also started raising slogans on the streets with big posters in support of Mamita. Hashtags started running on social media. Seeing this matter getting serious, Odisha police took the accused Govind Sahu into custody on the night of 17 October and started questioning him. But he escaped by dodging the police on the pretext of going to the bathroom. After this, the local people got angry and started protesting even more. The opposition party also started blaming the ruling party for this, after which 3 policemen had to be suspended immediately and a reward of Rs 1 lakh was also announced on the absconding accused. On one hand, the police was becoming victim of people's anger, and on the other hand, political pressure on the police to arrest Govind Sahu was also increasing. Meanwhile, on October 19, work was going on to build a stadium complex in the premises of Mahaling Zonal College, which comes under the management of Sunshine Public School. During that time, people found the half-burnt, rotten body of a young woman. A gold chain, anklet, and purse were found near the body. After this, the police was informed. Mamita Meher's family members were also called. The family members started crying as soon as they saw the chain, anklet, and purse. They identified the dead girl as Mamita Meher. After this, there was a commotion there. DNA test was necessary to confirm the identity of the girl. Hence, the body was sent to the hospital for testing along with the blood samples of Mamita's parents. People linked Govind Sahu to a state minister Dibya Shankar Mishra and claimed that he also used to visit the school. Because of this link of Govind, girls were afraid to raise their voice against him. After this, when the matter escalated, the police intensified the search for the accused. After this, while searching for the absconding Govind Sahu, the police arrested him from a relative's house. When Govind Sahu is brought to the police station and questioned rigorously, he breaks down and confesses his crime. He tells the police that he murdered Mamita. He tells the police how he strangled Mamita to death in his car. He further says that he had already planned this. He was preparing to commit the murder since October 6th. Actually, Mamita did her 12th from Sunshine School. Then in 2017, she joined the same school as a teacher. Mamita was living in the hostel of this school. Govind Sahu was a simple farmer. He had a lot of land, so he opened a school and became the president of its management committee. Whenever there was a function in this school, Govind Sahu used to invite big leaders and ministers. Police revealed that Govind Sahu was also having an extramarital affair and he was also eyeing some girls of the school. Mamita had come to know about these things and she was opposing him, so Govind killed Mamita.